You've been through a breakup, and you're hurting. It's like a punch in the gut, right? You're feeling lost, alone, and wondering if you'll ever feel normal again. Well, I'm here to tell you that you will. You're going to get through this. We're going to take this journey together, one step at a time. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss a single step on this journey to healing and moving on. Let's do this together. Look, you're hurting. You're allowed to hurt. It's a natural response to the pain you're feeling. Sometimes life throws us curveballs that we're not prepared for, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed. The first step in healing is to acknowledge that you're in pain. Don't try to push it away or pretend it doesn't exist. This isn't the time to slap on a happy face and pretend everything's okay. Putting on a facade might seem like the easiest way to cope, but it only delays the inevitable. The more you try to hide your true feelings, the more they'll fester inside you. It's important to be honest with yourself about what you're going through. You've got to face those feelings head on. Don't bottle them up. When you suppress your emotions, they don't just disappear, they linger, affecting your mental and physical health. Allow yourself to feel the full extent of your emotions, no matter how painful they might be. It's a crucial part of the healing process. Cry if you need to, scream into a pillow, let it all out. There's no shame in expressing your pain. In fact, it's a sign of strength. It shows that you're willing to confront your emotions rather than run from them. Letting out your feelings can be incredibly cathartic and can help you start to process what you're going through. Write down everything you're feeling. Putting your thoughts and emotions into words can be a powerful way to make sense of them. It can help you identify patterns and triggers, and it can provide a release for the emotions you're experiencing. Whether you choose to write in a journal, type on a laptop, or even record voice notes, the act of expressing yourself can be incredibly therapeutic. It's going to be tough, but you've got to acknowledge the pain to get past it. Healing isn't a linear process, and there will be days when it feels like you're taking 2 steps back for every step forward. But by facing your pain head-on, you're taking the first crucial step towards healing. It's a journey, and it's okay to take it one day at a time. Ignoring it will only make it worse in the long run. When you try to bury your pain, it doesn't go away. It just gets pushed deeper inside, where it can cause even more harm. By acknowledging your pain, you're giving yourself the opportunity to heal. You're allowing yourself to process your emotions and eventually move past them. You're not weak for feeling this way. You're human. Everyone experiences pain and heartache at some point in their lives. It's a part of the human experience. What matters is how you choose to deal with it. By acknowledging your pain, you're showing incredible strength and resilience. You're taking control of your healing journey. This is a part of life, and you're going to come out stronger on the other side. Pain and suffering are inevitable, but they also provide opportunities for growth and self-discovery. By facing your pain, you're learning more about yourself and your capacity for resilience. You're building the strength you need to overcome future challenges. Remember, this too shall pass. No matter how intense your pain feels right now, it won't last forever. Time has a way of healing even the deepest wounds. Trust that you will get through this, and that brighter days are ahead. Hold on to hope, and keep moving forward, one step at a time. It's okay to not be okay right now. Give yourself permission to feel whatever you're feeling. There's no right or wrong way to grieve. Everyone's journey is different, and it's important to honor your own process. Be kind to yourself and allow yourself the time and space you need to heal. Give yourself permission to grieve the loss of the relationship. It's a significant part of your life that's now changed, and it's natural to feel a sense of loss. Allow yourself to mourn what was and to feel the sadness that comes with it. It's a necessary step in the healing process. You're on the road to healing. It might not feel like it right now, but every step you take towards acknowledging and processing your pain is a step towards healing. Trust in the process, and know that you're making progress, even on the days when it feels like you're standing still. You're stronger than you think, and you will get through this. You don't have to go through this alone. Life can be incredibly challenging at times, and it's easy to feel isolated when you're facing difficulties. But remember, you are surrounded by people who care deeply about you. They are your tribe, your support system, and they are there to help you navigate through the tough times. You've got people who love you, people who have been with you through thick and thin. These are the individuals who have shared your joys and sorrows, your successes and failures. They are the ones who truly understand you and want nothing more than to see you happy and thriving. People who want to help, They may not always know exactly what to say or do, but their presence alone can be a source of immense comfort. Sometimes just knowing that someone is there for you can make all the difference in the world. Reach out to your friends, your family, your support system. Talk to them, share your thoughts and feelings, let them in on what you're experiencing. It can be incredibly therapeutic to verbalize your emotions and have someone listen without judgment. Let them know what you're going through. You might be surprised at how much they can relate to your situation or offer insights that you hadn't considered. Opening up can also strengthen your relationships, creating deeper bonds and mutual understanding. They can be your rock right now, offering a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on, or just a comforting presence. Sometimes the simple act of being there for someone can be the most powerful form of support. A shoulder to cry on, a hand to hold, or a warm embrace can provide a sense of security and reassurance. These small gestures can have a profound impact on your emotional well-being, or just a distraction from the pain. Engaging in activities with your loved ones, whether it's sharing a meal, playing a game, or simply enjoying each other's company, can provide a much-needed break from the stress and anxiety you may be feeling. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's a sign of strength to recognize when you need support and to reach out for it. Everyone needs help at some point in their lives, and there is no shame in admitting that you can't do it all on your own. Sometimes talking to a therapist can be incredibly beneficial. Therapists are trained to help you navigate your emotions and provide you with tools to manage your mental health. They offer a safe space where you can express yourself freely and work through your challenges. They can provide you with tools and strategies to cope with your emotions and navigate this difficult time. Whether it's through cognitive behavioral techniques, mindfulness practices, or simply offering a new perspective, therapy can be a valuable resource. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It takes courage to acknowledge that you need support and to take the steps to get it. By doing so, you are taking control of your well-being and making a positive choice for your future. You're not burdening anyone by reaching out. Your loved ones care about you deeply and want to be there for you. They would much rather know what you're going through than have you suffer in silence. Your loved ones care about you and want to be there for you. They are your tribe, your support system, and they are ready to stand by your side through whatever challenges you may face. Lean on them, and let their love and support help you through this time. Right now, you need to be your own best friend. This means showing yourself the same kindness, compassion, and understanding that you would offer to someone you deeply care about. It's about recognizing your own worth and treating yourself with the respect you deserve. That means taking care of yourself physically and mentally. Eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and nourish your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. When you fuel your body with good food, you're not just feeding your physical self, but also your mental and emotional well-being. Try to get some exercise. Physical activity is not just about keeping fit, it's a powerful tool for managing stress, improving your mood, and boosting your overall sense of well-being. Whether it's jogging in the park, practicing yoga at home, or even a simple walk, moving your body can make a world of difference. It'll help boost your mood and give you the energy to keep going. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which can help you feel more positive and energized. Plus, spending time in nature can be incredibly rejuvenating, helping you to feel more connected and grounded. Take some time for yourself, do things you enjoy, things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's having a solo picnic, painting, or engaging in a hobby you love, these activities can provide a much-needed break from the stresses of daily life and help you reconnect with yourself. Read a book, take a long bath, and allow yourself to unwind. These moments of relaxation are not just indulgences, they are essential for maintaining your mental and emotional health. They give you the space to breathe, reflect, and recharge. Listen to your favorite music, and let it lift your spirits. Dance like no one is watching, and feel the freedom that comes with letting go. Music and dance can be powerful forms of self-expression, and can help you process your emotions in a healthy way. Go for a walk in nature. Pamper yourself a little. You deserve it. Nature has a way of calming the mind and soothing the soul. Whether it's a walk through the forest or sitting by a lake, these moments of tranquility can help you find peace and clarity. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Lighting candles, journaling, or simply enjoying a cup of tea in a cozy room can be small but significant acts of self-care. They remind you to slow down and appreciate the little things in life. By taking care of yourself, you're giving yourself the best chance to heal and move on. Meditation can help you find inner peace, and smiling at your reflection can reinforce positive self-affirmations. You are strong, you are capable, and you are worthy of love and happiness. Embrace yourself with all your strengths and flaws, and remember that loving yourself is the first step towards a happier, more fulfilling life. Listen, you can't move on if you're still hung up on your ex. It's time to create some healthy boundaries. Unfollow them on social media, block their number if you need to. You don't need to see what they're up to, and you definitely don't need to be in contact right now. It's okay to say no to any attempts they make to reach out. This is about protecting yourself and your emotional well-being. Remember, you're in control here. You get to decide who has access to you and your energy. Setting boundaries is a way of saying, I'm choosing me, and I'm choosing to heal. This is your chance to rediscover yourself, to explore new possibilities. What have you always wanted to do but never had the time or courage? Now's the time to go for it. Take that class, join that club, travel to that place you've always dreamed of. Embrace new hobbies, reconnect with old passions, step outside your comfort zone. You might surprise yourself with what you discover about yourself along the way. Remember, this is a new beginning, a fresh start. You have the power to create the life you want. Don't be afraid to dream big and go after what you deserve. Breakups are tough, there's no doubt about it. But remember, you are stronger than you think. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on healing, growth, and moving on. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Keep your head up, your heart open, and keep moving forward.